While United Youth Club Minuthong Hapta Gulapati Athletics Union and Meitei Pangal Council Manipur have handed over two non-Manipuris who were selling fake Dunlop mattresses to Porompat police station. Speaking to media in this regard, General Secretary of Wall United Youth Club, Takalambam Thomas said these non-locals were found selling fake mattresses which were stuffed with thermocol sheets. The two individuals were identified as 32-year-old Sultan from northeast Delhi, Yamuna Vihar, and Roshan, aged 26, from Uttar Pradesh's Badwan Napao Baisoli Badom. They were staying at rented accommodation at Hapta Manahingol.
Non-Manipuri ani Mompak Yonba, Masakang Daba, Karana, Sorota, Puba Veto Badagi, like I imagine Sina, I quite club meeting, I'm a Kanatorineda, Pau Pibi Padagi, Club Siki volunteers in Chatlaga, or Matunda, Makosi Quena Wang Pang, Nayam Sam Nanga Matunda, Mokisakada, the Lake and Harakanda, Hapta de Lay Harpadagi, MPCM, G, President Obiriba, Haji Arafat, Lai Lona Zaga, Kauraga Kujitara, Tona Kanar Batunda, I'm Gitonda, Lobayaba. Sarkar na logo rasunu adu batori ba pot se koi duplicate ni pore ba pot se koi using mayam yin mina bagita mutta akoi ba du di kut pa pamje fu ba chai ba yaudana club site gi di mado koi na ain gi thongda makoi bu police ta government sinagi bai ba se hapta gi MPC gi Haji Arafat president amadi world club gi executive members in president koi munna tare tara tongna khanna ga mafam asida koi pressman si ko ga sinjabane.
Meanwhile, President of Meitei Pangal Council Manipur, Haji Arafat Ali, has raised concern over rising influx of illegal immigrants and also on the issue of bogus Aadhaar cards to illegal immigrants. He further urged the government and relevant authority to carry out drive against people who are engaged in making fake Aadhaar cards. He also warned against people who are selling dubious items. Meanwhile, a team of Porompat police has recovered 21 mattresses stuffed with thermocol from a godown located at Hapta Manahingol.
Manipur da haju oirib se India ki mainland mayam mafam dagi changsil laga hairiba makoi singse sugumaina Manipur da yamna masing yamba miyem lerangani masi club singsina section view loina na asigumba seran turan thabak tawba dubli yonba poche yonba miyo sing inner line permit na chingba system lan na tawramba lan na piramba sigumba any authority government ki wagera private ki wagera individual wagera mase tohning de aduga Howjig Hyde Music is a concerned police station, a Porompat police station, the verification to Winaba, Loin and Makona Tauramiba, Makoi Lizard Hazard, Mogi Neum Chingsi, Chumtok Winaba, Manipuri Ladyba, Civil Society Organization Club Nachingba, Mafamda, Masigi Public Awareness Oina, by Meitei Pangal Council, Magadigi, Amadi, Wall Youth Club Ki, Angom Lekai, Magadigi, Prajamiam, that way awareness Oina, Miam the Masi section view, high weapon Masi Tamjeri.